The Fujifilm X-T20 is the company's latest mid-range SLR-style mirrorless camera. It features the same 24-megapixel APS-C sensor used in Fujifilm's flagship cameras. An improved autofocus system makes the X-T20 a great upgrade for users who've outgrown their entry-level camera and who want more control over their photography. The X-T20 features extensive direct control points for immediate access to exposure and focus settings. The improved image sensor captures detailed images and now also records 4K video footage. The X-T20 also features a touchscreen that can be used to position the autofocus point in both stills and video shooting. We especially appreciate Fujifilm's excellent JPEG engine, which makes it easy to get great-looking, print-ready photos straight from the camera. The X-T20 wraps up some of Fujifilm's best imaging technology into a well-priced, well-featured body. It's also a great entry point into one of the best lens systems on the market. For more information about the Fujifilm X-T20 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
When I first picked up a camera, it was solely about taking photos. So much has changed since then. Yet somehow, not much has. I'm still heavily drawn to the road, in hot pursuit of the next adventure with my close friends. It's that loose whatever the day brings type of an agenda, the kind I can't get enough of. All that action is polarized by solitary moments, chasing wildlife, documenting the subtleties and beauties of nature. You got the photo. I crave that insulated feeling of quiet concentration when I'm shooting. My camera has changed immensely since the day I picked one up. Today it's a tool of true multimedia, a fraction of the size from what it once was, and way more powerful. My workflow has me constantly bouncing between photo and video, tormenting myself with the question, do I snap a photo or film this?
I should actually take a picture of that too.
Oh, that's sweet.
It's a welcoming dilemma, and the truth is, it's helped me to evolve creatively. Weight matters, speed matters, and durability is mandatory when you're working in harsh and uncomfortable conditions.
Oh yeah, this looks really great.
I go to great lengths to get on location, and my camera needs to endure every one of these elements. That's where the Z6 steps in. The last thing I can afford to do is miss a moment. I have a soft spot for nostalgia. It's ultimately what drew me to the camera in the first place. To take those fleeting moments with me along the ride. To relive them and share them with others later. It's my greatest driving force.
The Sony a7 III is a full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, aimed at first-time ILC buyers and enthusiasts. While technically an entry-level full-frame model, the a7 III is incredibly competitive, offering a highly advanced hybrid autofocus system, a sharp, accurate 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder, and a proven 24-megapixel sensor. Image quality from the a7 III is very good. Although it offers lower resolution than some competitors, dynamic range and high ISO performance is excellent. As well as stills, the a7 III is a superb video camera. It is capable of arguably the best 4K video of any product in its class. This is thanks to oversampling, which delivers exceptionally clean footage. The a7 III can shoot continuously at 10 frames per second, and its advanced autofocus system is capable of accurately tracking moving subjects across 93% of the frame. Manual AF point positioning is made easier by a dedicated joystick on the rear of the camera. It also features IAF, which can pinpoint and precisely focus on your subject's eyes. This is extremely useful for portraiture. In the a7 III, Sony improved upon previous a7 series cameras by adding a large Z-type battery, rated as an impressive 710 shots per charge. The bigger battery and dual SD card slots make the a7 III a more practical camera than its predecessors for extended stills and video shooting. For more information on the Sony a7 III, visit dpreview.com.